We're looking at enzymes today. The question is, what happens as an enzyme becomes denatured? Okay, what do we know about enzymes? We know that enzymes speed up our biochemical reactions. This is important in digestion and metabolism in our body. Okay, so we've got, if you look at this up here, this green is the active enzyme, and it binds it with a substrate. And enzymes are fairly specific to the substrate they bind to. Okay, and what happens when an enzyme becomes denatured, either in higher pH or in higher temperature, the whole enzyme will change shape. And when it changes shape, the substrate will not fit in to the enzyme. So the reaction will either slow down or stop altogether. Again, that's when the pH goes up or when the temperature goes up. That will denature the enzyme, so the substrate will not fit anymore. Okay, so we'll look at the question again. What happens as an enzyme becomes denatured? A, the enzyme works faster. The enzyme's not going to work faster because it's already changed shape. That's the key to this whole thing. The enzyme changes shape. The enzyme works slower. We'll find out that that is the answer. C, the enzyme can perform a new role. That's not going to happen because the enzyme basically is not working anymore because the shape has changed. And the enzyme can make the reverse reaction proceed faster. Now, basically, when you denature a protein, denature an enzyme, the enzyme becomes inactive and it won't work anymore. So a lot of times, enzymes help reactions, so it works as a catalyst. And look over here at the temperature. And when the temperature starts rising, the reaction happens faster until it reaches that kind of optimum temperature. And each enzyme will have a different temperature and a pH that it likes. So on either side, it's either going to be slower, will be slower. And then as it gets too hot or too much pH, it will stop altogether.